Before I will start talking about making money online from home, I want you to hit this nice, red, subscribe button, so you won't miss any new content on my channel. With all that being said, let's get started then. For beginners, I didn't always understand how to make money online from home. My journey really started in 2018 after being fed up with frustrations of being stuck in cubicle tasks I didn't feel comfy with. Not because the job itself was bad, but due to the fact that of the level of tension from other individuals. By the time I left work, I was so burnt up that didn't have any energy left to be there for my wife mentally and invest great quality time with her. I acted unfavorable most of the time and did not understand exactly what was happening to my happiness. See, I was looking for freedom to be there for my other half and do the important things I loved doing, whenever I desired to do them. Being tied to a job cubicle task where there wasn't any human relationship involved, was eating me alive gradually. It affected my mood, my relationship, and my life in general. It was like I wasn't human anymore, but a robot. To make long story short, one day I was searching online, much like you, on the best ways to generate income online from home. Not gonna lie, I was a bit skeptic about it. I heard of people being scammed. Possibly you can relate. However, I was fed up and saw numerous success stories of people earning money online from home. They were normal individuals like you and me and from different backgrounds and occupations. After browsing for an hour or two, I discovered a program that really resonated with me. It was like I could taste, feel, and see the freedom that making an income from home brings. So I got in touch with my sponsor immediately, got plugged into the system and training in place, and not long after executing what was taught in the training, I started making my very first sales online. Now I'm able to spend more time with and I'm able to deal with her assisting people with their hair requires all while earning money online from home with just a couple hours of work. I enjoy our lives and is thanks to what I took my time to find out and carry out. Pay very close attention to exactly what I'm about to teach you. If you're brand new to this will assist out a lot. Okay, here it is. How to earn money online from home. Let's begin with what you need to begin earning money online. 1. You need targeted traffic. Traffic boils down to eyeballs or individuals on the internet. Now I stated targeted since you need individuals that are already searching for exactly what you have to offer. I'll discuss that in a minute. 2. You require leads conversion. From that traffic you have to produce leads. A lead is simply a person that has actually linked to you and has showed interest in what you provide, item, service, message, opportunity. 3. You need sales conversion. Okay, so now that you're generating leads, you need to begin to generate sales. The leads that you create will eventually purchase exactly what you're offering, and this is how you start making sales. Required tools to make it work from home. Okay, so exactly what was explained above may sound complex, and it can be if you're attempting to do everything yourself. It is why you need the right software tools that are going to help the above process be smooth and simple. The following tools are exactly what makes possible for you to make a considerable income online on autopilot with just 1 to 3 hours of work. Here they are. 1. You need a laptop computer or PC to work on an internet connection. That's evident and self-explanatory, right? 2. You need a high-quality service or product to provide. Something I found is that countless people are looking for solutions to their problems online. Much like I pointed out above, I was searching online for a method to generate income from home since I wanted flexibility to invest more time with my other half and do the important things I enjoyed doing. So because I thought of myself looking for a solution, I saw that there were thousands and thousands of individuals browsing for solutions to their issues too. With that being said, you require a high-quality product that fixes problems in a mass market. For instance, let's state somebody is searching on Google for how to lose 5 pounds in 3 weeks. If you had an item that provided that individual that option, don't you think that individual would be more likely to purchase that item from you if they found your solution online? Heck yeah. 3. You require a system. This is it. As soon as you have the item, you're going to need a system that it's going to do the selling and informing on your behalf. This system is made up of 3 main parts. A capture page, or aka squeeze page. I mentioned above that generating leads is part of the process. A capture page serves that purpose. It offers the visitor a chance to check out your offer in exchange of their email. As quickly as the visitor enters their email, they become your lead. Now that they provided you with their email, you can now follow up with them and reintroduce them to the offer in case they didn't purchase your offer or didn't have a time to view the details about your it. An autoresponder: after a person enters their email on the capture page, you require a software that will store their email and handle it. This is where an autoresponder comes in. Not just you'll have the ability to send an email out to numerous people one time, but you can likewise set up automated emails that can be sent instantly when a person subscribes and become your lead. Consider an autoresponder as an individual assistant that can send out emails on your behalf. This is a must-have for automation and for list building. The larger the list of people interested in your products, service or opportunity, the more cash you make. A sales video is a video your lead will be directed to after they enter their email on the capture page. This video will explain or give more details about the offer. Then the lead will have the chance to make a purchase of such product and services. A checkout kind, when the person views the sales video and chooses that what is being offered is ideal for them. That person will have the option to click on a buy or an add to haul button, which then will direct them to the checkout page to make a purchase. 4. Learn to get traffic, visitors on the internet, to your system. Getting traffic is the gas to the engine. Simply put, if you're not getting traffic, you're not getting your money system going. If you're brand new to this, naturally you'll need proper training to execute, however, the simple tasks to do as soon as you get the hang of it. And that's how you do it. It might look like a great deal of details, but it's very simple to make an income online when you have the right software, the right people, and the proper training at your service. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget about lovely red button. Still overwhelmed and struggling to understand whole process of making money online from home? Don't really know where to start? Still don't know what will be the best option for you and your business? If you answered yes to some of these questions, that means you will need a bit of help and training to show you what you need to do to get your business up and running. Don't hesitate to check my #1 free training video explaining step by step from A to Z, beginners friendly as well. You will be surprised how simple it really is to make tons of money over the internet from comfort of your home. This one simple training is everything you need if you still don't understand something. You find this training in the description of this video.